guys, this is fun. Just come up to a whole bunch of stop traffic with no word on the CB radio. Hey, eastbound, did you guys catch what's going on up ahead?
Truck fire.
10-4. Interesting. What is this guy doing?
Anybody see what's going on westbound? Truck fire.
Yeah, okay, so anyways, came up on a bunch of stop traffic, no warning on the CB. There's a little bit of conversation now at least. You can see up ahead that there is zero traffic moving on the road, but traffic is moving here right now, so I'm assuming this is more than just a roadblock and they're actually kicking us off. And some people don't want to wait. So anyways, today I guess we're gonna talk about the EDR in Ontario, Emergency Detour route. They along the 401, 402, 403, 427, all the big major highways, 400 series highways, they have emergency detour routes posted at pretty much every exit, and it's a bunch of signs that you follow for a situation like this where they close the highway and you need to get off.
What's going on out there?
Sounds like we got a truck fire ahead. Highway's shut down. What? Oh my god, what are these guys doing? Holy crap. No way. I don't know if you guys can catch what's going on, but that black pickup truck that's been riding along the shoulder, the white car's trying to block him, and he went around in the grass. Oh my god, he got out of his vehicle to yell at the guy. Oh, we got the same situation going on behind us. Holy crap, people. This is chaos. Yeah, that's what happens. Everybody wants to get in front of everybody else.
Looks like they're putting everybody off at the exit before the en route. Zero's getting pushed off at 593.
Do you think if I drive up to the cop and say, I just want to go to the en route, he'll let me go to the en route?
Don't let your chances. Now you got a shit.
So here's the deciding factor. Not that there's space to sit and wait out until they open up the road, but is it going to be faster to go on the EDR around it or wait until they open up the highway? That is the question. I mean, at this point,
it might be open by the time some of you get to that detour.
exactly, that's what I'm worried about. I'm gonna get past the point of no return and they're gonna open up the highway again. Hello. I was actually looking forward to going to the en route too. But we'll go to the Flying J in Napanee once we actually get around and into town. But yeah, okay, so there's a yellow sign right at the end there that says EDR with an arrow pointing to the left. So we, being trucks, aren't going to be able to trust any of the side streets. We basically have to follow the EDR. It's designed for trucks. But with that being the case, wow. We'll let all the cars go right, and we'll actually pull as close to the side of this lane as we can, so maybe some people can get by on the right there. And we will follow the EDR. Hello, officer. Alright, go. Yeah, go. Lots of room to go. We can all go. Holy crap, we can all go. I braked. You guys saw that? Not rolling the stop. I braked. Yeah, look at that mess. What are you doing? Just keep going. Just keep swimming. We got these yellow signs here saying EDR 401. Keep going straight. Now this looks like a fairly complex intersection that we're coming up to up ahead there a bit.
Oh boy, let's cut them off.
Oh yeah.
Cut off these fuckers on the shoulders. Good job, boy.
Are you a roundabout or? Yeah, okay, flashing yield sign for a roundabout. And yeah, we have the yellow EDR sign saying west turned west, east turn east. So this is the EDR road. You going straight? Of course you're going straight. Okay, let's go. Nobody in the roundabout. Napanee, 14 kilometers. We might be on this for a bit. Oh no, buddy, that's not getting you back to the highway. Oh, he's gone. Hey, look, there's these yellow signs. You follow the yellow signs, and it says don't turn down that road. Okay, so we're getting into Napanee, and they have an EDR 401 west, turn right. So we are going to do just that. Except where do we turn right? This brick wall? According to this sign we do. Just kidding, it's this intersection right here. Aw man, I kind of wanted to go under the train bridge. That would be fun. Right, I'd like to steer, please, thank you. Another sign saying EDR 401 west, keep going straight. Oh, we're going backwards right now. maybe I should have gone under the bridge anyways. Well, crap. Well, looks like we backtracked a little bit to get back onto the highway at this on-ramp instead of the one going through town there, but I'm gonna look at it on the bright side and say it's better than going blindly into downtown Napanee under that rail bridge, which very well could have been a low bridge. It probably wasn't, but it's better safe than sorry to follow these signs, lose a little bit of time, than to go some way that isn't necessarily gonna go in your favor. Looks like fun. So the big question is there any traffic on the 401 that we're merging back into? Because in that case it may have been faster to just wait out the wreck, but look, no, there's no traffic. The highway's still closed. This was our best option. Imagine that. So we are at the wonderful Napanee Flying J, and we're just gonna take a quick look to see what we missed here. So what we did, yeah, basically we came up to this intersection here, this intersection here, and we took 5 all the way back up to the highway. But let's take a look to see what we missed if we continued going straight. So yeah, we were over here, right? So we came up there, took the turn over there to get back on the highway. But if we continued straight here, let's just see what kind of trouble we could have ended ourselves in. Coming up to this nice old rail bridge that I was all excited to go under. There's no height markers listed on it, so that's a good sign. That's probably over 13'6" or 4.1 meters. Then we come up to this intersection here. What way did we want to go? Number 2 west. Kingston, doo-doo-doo. But what is this road? Where does that go? Ooh, interesting. 1W and 1 East, Bridge Street, Camden. Oh boy, yeah, okay, so that's a messy intersection right there. Where did we want to go? We could have taken the 1, or we could just follow all the way down here into downtown, which is probably what I would have done, and then come up to this intersection here. Doesn't look like there's no truck signs, but oh my god, trying to make that right hand turn in there, ooh, that would not be a fun one. Yeah, so that would have been messy, but doable. And then we would have shot up all the way up here, it looks fine, and get back on the highway here. And we're currently here. So, yeah. Lost a little bit of time, but it's not the end of the world. We'll be alright. Anyways, guys, I guess I'll catch you at the next one.